Why can a bird's wings fly? The secret is in the shape. The top of a wing is always puffy and curved, while the bottom is flatter. When a bird flies forward, air flows over and under the wings. The air flowing over the top curved path runs faster. The air flowing along the bottom flat path runs slower. Air has a little secret. When it runs fast, its strength is small. Therefore, the strength holding up the wing from below is greater than the strength pushing down from above. The bird is held up by the air just like that. Imagine a gentle breeze flowing around a bird's wing as it soars through the sky. The wing's curved shape on top forces the air to speed up as it travels. Meanwhile, the air flowing underneath takes a more leisurely route. This difference in speed creates a pressure imbalance. The faster moving air on top exerts less pressure than the slower air below. It's like a gentle push from below and a slight pull from above. This pressure difference generates lift, the force that pushes the bird upward. As the bird flaps its wings, it continuously creates this pressure difference. The constant lift allows the bird to defy gravity and stay airborne. Think of it as an invisible cushion of air supporting the bird's weight. The bird's wing is designed to manipulate the airflow and harness this lift. The feathers on the wing also play a crucial role in controlling the airflow. They act like tiny flaps, adjusting to the wind and optimizing lift. The bird's wing is a marvel of engineering, perfectly adapted for flight. Even the slightest change in wing shape can affect its ability to generate lift. Birds have evolved over millions of years to refine their wing design. They have perfected the art of manipulating air to achieve effortless flight. So, the next time you see a bird soaring through the sky, remember the magic of lift. It's the invisible force that allows these creatures to dance among the clouds. The bird's wing is a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity. It's a reminder that even the most complex feats of engineering can be found in the natural world. The curve of the wing, the speed of the air, and the resulting lift all work together. This creates a symphony of physics that allows birds to take to the skies. Consider the albatross, gliding effortlessly for miles over the ocean. Or the hummingbird, hovering in mid-air as it sips nectar from a flower. Each bird has adapted its wing design to suit its specific needs and environment. The secret of flight lies in the shape of the wing and the power of air.